Hello friends, let's do some baking. When boredom strikes, it's time to bake. So magpainit ta og oven nato at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We will start preheating our oven. I also prepare this large baking dish or baking pan. I line this with with parchment paper. I did not grease or add or some butter or oil, so just the paper itself that I added. Friends, I have here small electric mixer, and if you don't have small electric mixer, hand mixer, if you have this big electric stand mixer, then you can use that, either or. So I have here 6 large organic brown eggs, and then I am going to add 1 cup of brown sugar and half of white sugar because I ran out of white sugar. So in total, 1.5 cups of sugar, the sweetness. So 1 cup of brown and half a cup of white sugar. We're going to beat this. So I'm going to beat this good for 2 minutes. Okay, after 2 minutes, we're going to add our 1/2 cup of melted butter. So this is my 1/2 cup of melted butter. Butter, but I am going to melt this for maybe 15 seconds. Okay, let's say 21 seconds in our microwave. Okay, there you go. So this is perfect. Half a cup of melted butter. So I have here canola oil. You can use vegetable oil. So I'm going to add 1/2 cup of vegetable oil into our mixture. Okay, there you go. 1/2 cup. And also 1/2 cup of this melted butter. I'm going to add 1/2 cup of this whole milk or powdered milk. I use Nido, but whatever powdered milk you have, simply you can always go ahead. That can be very optional. So this is the type of powdered milk I use. So I'm using same clean, this is clean, measuring cup that I used to have that powdered milk. So this is 1 cup. So I am going to add this into our mixture. So 1 cup of fresh milk, friends. I want it tasty. This is my very own recipe that I am formulating earlier. So there you go. We are going to beat this for 1 minute. After 1 minute, I'll have to turn this off. Okay, so we're going to add our flour. So it's a combination of 4 different flours. I use 1 cup of cake and pastry flour. I use almond flour because I have lots and lots of almond flour. I use 1 cup of almond flour. So this is also almond flour, a different brand. So 1 cup of almond flour, 1 cup of cake and pastry flour, 1 cup of whole wheat flour. So this part here is almond flour, and then at the bottom part 1 cup of whole wheat flour and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. So 4 different flours. Okay, so in other words, there are 4 cups in total. So let me add this all together wonderfully. If you want to sieve it or strain it, that's perfectly fine. And then I added 3 teaspoons of baking soda. I add baking soda, so 3 teaspoons. And also 3 teaspoons. So there are 3 teaspoons of baking powder. There you go. Whatever brand, as long as it is still activated and it is not expired. Otherwise, you will forfeit its purpose. And 1 teaspoon of fine or iodized salt. There you go. Then we'll just beat this maybe for 2 minutes. We will not overbeat this one. Slowly. Slowly. I increase the speed. Okay, there you go. We'll turn this off slowly but surely. Okay. So friends, let's check the consistency of our batter mixture. It's not that very runny. It's just perfect. Okay, after which, it's very essential that you have your simple gadget like this. This is what we call scraper or spatula to make it smooth, you know, the sidings, make it smooth and neat. Okay, the color is a little bit brownish because of the almond flour and the whole wheat flour that we added. Otherwise, if you added cake flour or all-purpose flour, the color is whitish. I mean, the batter mixture. So friends, I have here, I measured 3 cups. So this is 1 cup. So that's flour. That's clean actually. So 3 cups of this organic sweet blueberries. So there are 3 cups in total. And simply mix it. This type of baking, it's not really very complicated. Okay, I just try to formulate this and simply love to share this to all of you. So when you mix it, cut and fold, cut and fold, cut and fold until all the mixtures are well combined. So this is good to go. So friends, let's try to check the consistency of the batter mixture. Okay, it's not that runny and it's not that very thick, so this is perfecto. You can use peaches in a can. You can use also some mangoes, also some bananas, strawberries. There's a lot of choices for your fruits. Okay, let me pour this into my baking dish or baking pan lined with parchment paper. Okay friends, let's try to level it up. Scrape it until this will become even. So to make it even, let's get a little top so that the air bubbles will inflate. So ready into our oven. So let's toss this into our oven. Temperature for baking is 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So into the oven's middle rack, close it. At 350 degrees Fahrenheit, let's check our timer. Let's put it into 45 minutes. And if we needed more minutes, then increments of 5 minutes. Set this aside for now and we'll check after 45 minutes. So friends, this is the beautiful output of our blueberry cake. Golden brown, friends. So it doesn't really take 45 minutes in the process of baking it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It only took me 35 minutes just to make sure. 35 minutes, 350 degrees Fahrenheit in our oven's middle rack. So this is our beautiful blueberry cake, friends. So let it cool down first prior to slicing so that it will not be deformed. There you go. Thank you once again for watching La Arnie's Kitchen and Food Creations. Till the next time. So, I inverted it. Binaliktad ko po siya. Ito yung bottom part niya. Lots and lots of blueberries ang nilagay natin. Remember, there are 3 cups in total of sweet organic blueberries. Okay, let's start slicing it. So first, we are going to slice it or cut it into half. And then make it half here. Half again. There you go. It's still warm, friends, actually. So we're going to cut it into half here. Half. And half. So how many slices we produced? Okay, so 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 times 4 equals 32 pieces altogether. So let's check the consistency. Look at that, lots and lots of blueberries. So let's check. My hands are clean. There you go, friends. So thank you very much, wonderful friends, for watching La Arnie's Kitchen and Food Creations. Till the next time, this is our blueberry pound cake.